Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome back to physical education class. My name is Shamsher Singh, physical education teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. In the previous video, we have discussed about aims and objectives, careers in physical education and various competition in sports, national and international. Chapter number 1. Our last topic is Khelo India programming. The Khelo India programming has been introduced to revive the sports culture in India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports played in our country and establish India as a great sporting nation. The Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs introduced Khelo India programming in the year 2017 to receive sports culture right from the grassroots level. Talented players identified in purity sports disciplines at various levels by the high powered committee will be provided annual financial assistance 5 lakh rupees for annual 8 years. The aim of introducing this programming is to inspire the young talent of the country to participate in sports activities. Next is structure of the Khelo India programming. Khelo India programming has been divided into the following 12 components. First is play field development. This includes development of play fields at state and district levels and preparation of a national inventory of playfield and sports infrastructure by geography information system. Next is community coaching development. The focus is on development of skill as well as certification system for sports coaching. This component is aimed at identifying, involving, and training the various sports teacher and PET master trainees with online courses also being included. Next is state level Khelo India centers. The state level Khelo India centers help in supporting a better utilization of the sports infrastructure in relation to the states, union, territories through memorandum of understanding. Next point is annual sports competitions. Under the scheme, the central government organize various national level competitions, namely Khelo India National School Games and the Khelo India National University Games, collectively called as Khelo India Youth Games, with regard to the high purity sports disciplines such as athletics, badminton, boxing, basketball, cycling, chess, etc. This component aims to provide a platform for supporting the talent and providing development pathways for gifted and talented children to achieve sports excellence. Next is talent search and development. This committee also selects the prize winners for the Khelo India scheme. A talent identification committee is employed to spot and identify talent with the help of globally respected scientific methods. Next point is upgradation of sports infrastructure. This component aims to develop sports infrastructure at various schools and universities and demonstrate high sporting potential. Special care is taken to ensure optimum utilization of these resources. Next point, state sports academies. This component helps to provide resources under public-private partnership mode for expanding and implementing the long-term athlete development programming. Next point is physical fitness of school-going children. This component helps to encourage and increase in the penetration of sports in the education curriculum. Under the scheme, a toolkit will be developed to measure the physical fitness levels of children. Next point is sports for women. This component aims to conduct annual national competitions, especially for women, with an emphasis on the sports which have a limited participation of women. Next is promotion of sports among persons with disabilities. This component aims to provide financial assistance to state and union territories as well as the Sports Authority of India for the creation of specialized sports infrastructure for persons with disabilities. Next is promotion of rural and indigenous or travel games. Under the Khelo India scheme, annual competitions are organized to showcase India's travel games. Last point, sports for peace and development. This government of India provides a fund of up to 200 crores for enhancement of sports facilities in the state of J&K under the special package given to the state. And soft support through coaches, consumables, equipment and technical support is also provided. Next is Khelo India Youth Games. The Union Ministry of Sports expanded its scope relative to Khelo India School Games. The participants are not allowed to participate in two categories, for example, under 17 and under 21. It also allows students from various colleges and universities to complete. Last point is Khelo India School Games. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the first edition of Khelo India School Games at the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium in New Delhi. Under 17 athletes have been invited to participate across 16 disciplines, which are follows: archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, gymnastics, hockey, judo, kabaddi, kho, shooting, swimming, volleyball, weightlifting, and wrestling. 5,000 children from all states and unions territories participated in the event from January 31 to February 8, 2018. The second edition of Khelo India School Games was rechristened as Khelo India Youth Games, held from January 9 to 20, 2019 in Pune, Maharashtra. At the end, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for joining me.